In front of me today, I've got the large barrel bag that we normally run as a workshop upstairs in the Little Kraft Shed in Ulverston. Unfortunately, due to the current climate, we've been unable to do that, so we've taken our workshops online and running them virtually. So I've made a range of videos that will take you through step by step in quite a fair bit of detail on how to create this very functional versatile bag. This bag is an adaptation from the barrel bag by Swoon, and the barrel bag by Swoon has got extra detail on the outside, but to make the bag manageable and to cope on a domestic sewing machine, I've stripped some of those qualities back down so that we can actually get them sewn in a relatively short space of time. So inside this bag, I will take you through how to create a zipped up pocket on the inside and how to attach and install a zip that will run the full length of your bag. The bag is then finished off with a pair of leather made handles and some bag feet at the bottom. I decided to use leatherette for the bag base so that at least when I kind of put it down onto a surface, it repels the water or dirt and is actually wipeable, which is even better given the current circumstances. So if you're interested in creating this very versatile bag, which not only just makes an ideal everyday bag, but make great gifts as well, then join us on the workshop. The link will be in the video details, and we are going to be limiting the number of participants to 12. So if you do want to get booked on, I would suggest booking on early because they are filling up rather fast. So come and join us and enjoy a day of sewing.